Hi, everyone. Welcome to the College of North Atlantic Seal Cove campus. Thank you for joining us for our very first virtual open house. My name is Marlene Furlong, and I am the Student Development Officer. My job is to support our students in every step of the way and ensure your experience at CNA is a great one. Our goal today is to help you get to know the campus and our programs. You will get a chance to meet our excellent support staff, our faculty, learn about our programs, and view the Seal Cove campus. Feel free to ask questions in the chat function, and with that, let's get started. As you enter the main entrance of the campus, you will find the lobby and the general office. Here you will meet our administration team, such as the campus director, instructional coordinator, admissions officer, and cashier. I'll now introduce our campus director, Ed Christopher.
Thank you, Marlene. Welcome to the College of the North Atlantic Seal Cove campus. My name is Ed Christopher and I'm the campus director. As you will see from the virtual tour, we boast a modern and spacious facility located in scenic Conception Bay South and just 30 minutes drive from St. John's. We offer programming in CAS transition, construction, industrial electrician, instrumentation control technician, and power line technician. If you have any questions regarding our programs and services we provide, please feel free to use the chat feature and either myself or one of my staff will respond. I hope you enjoy and find the virtual tour informative. We will certainly welcome an in-person visit once public health measures allow. Hope to see you soon.
Next, our admissions officer, Natasha Quinlan.
I am Natasha Quinlan, the admissions officer for Seal Cove campus. Applicants can apply to any college program the first day of grade 12. This is important to remember because wait lists are based first come, first serve. You can apply online through our website. All communication is sent via email, so please ensure to include this on your application and check regularly for updates. Please reach out anytime if you have questions. I look forward to hearing from you.
We will now move to our library comments. This is where you will find the office for the Student Development Officer and the Library Technician. My job as Student Development Officer is to help and support future, current, and graduate students. I work to ensure our students have the information, resources, and tools to help them succeed in their programs and student life. I also plan fun campus events that take place throughout the year, assist with graduation, scholarships and awards, support student council, student aid, peer tutoring, and as I said before, anything to help make your student experience the best at CNA. And now I'll introduce our library technician, Crystal Mercer.
Hello, everyone. My name is Crystal Mercer, and I am the library technician here at the Seal Cove Library Learning Commons. The Learning Commons space offers computer and iPad access, group and individual study space, magazines, books, and other items related to the programs offered, as well as a small selection of fiction and popular magazines for you to check out. The Library Learning Commons also provides printing and copying services for students to use, as well as a number of office supplies such as staplers, three-hole punch, and pencil sharpeners. We offer students intercampus loans of all materials across our campuses. So if you see something in our catalog that is at another campus, simply ask me and I will have it brought in for you. In addition to the on-campus Learning Commons, Library Services has a host of resources available to you online, including a number of databases and libguides. If you have any questions throughout your studies, please ask me and I will assist you in any way that I can. Thank you.
As we continue down the hall, you will find the office for our guidance counselor and accessibility services. I'll now introduce our guidance counselor, John Edwards.
Hi, my name is John Edwards, and I'm the counselor for Seal Cove campus as well as for Ridge Road campus. And in terms of a schedule, like I'm at Seal Cove campus Monday afternoons and all day Wednesdays, and that's the typical schedule. It can vary a little sometimes. And even on the days I'm not there, if something should arise, I'm at Bridge Road campus. You can certainly contact Marlene at the campus here, and we communicate regularly back and forth. And, in terms of being available to help you with any concerns you may have, from how things are going in your program to personal issues or medical issues you may have that, we may be able to assist with, and ongoing counseling type things. Also, we have a peer tutoring program. We're always looking for good tutors and people who may have tutored outside in high school or wherever, in the past. When you come here, we're certainly looking for you to get on board. And for people needing assistance, you have 15 hours available to you per semester, which can make a huge difference. And certainly like to see you get involved. And peer tutoring is also, along with the college paying some money, it's great for resumes as well. And the other thing, any concerns or issues or anything that you may have as you go along in your program, we really appreciate you bringing them forward sooner, and we're able to work together, either individually or even bring a team together to work on trying to find some solutions. And certainly wish anyone coming the very best. Okay, thank you.
Next for our Accessibility Services Office is our resource facilitator, Michelle Connolly.
My name is Michelle Conley, and I'm the resource facilitator for students with disabilities. You will find me in the Accessibility Center next to the counseling office. Seal Cove is committed to providing an inclusive learning environment and offers individualized services for students with documented disabilities, such as learning disabilities, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, sensory impairments, as well as mental health conditions such as anxiety and depression. Accommodations I provide may include extended time, alternate location, reading assistance, alternate format textbooks, as well as training for a variety of assistive technology. For example, reading and writing software such as Read and Write. You will find the Accessibility Center offers a calm, quiet, and supportive environment and is fully equipped with a soundproof whisper room as well as a portable, adjustable, ergonomic learning station. If you are a student with a learning disability, it is very important for you to let us know and request contact from Accessibility Services on your application form. Early planning can help you avoid any delays in receiving the services and supports you need. I look forward to working with you.
Continuing down the hall, we'll go to our classroom, and this is where theory components of our programs are completed. One of our programs is the Comprehensive Arts and Science CAS Transition Program. Now, Mark Stacy, our CAS instructor, will give an overview of our program.
Thank you, Marlene. I'm Mark Stacy. I teach biology and chemistry through the Comprehensive Arts and Sciences program here at Seal Cove. Our program is useful to many, many students coming from a large variety of backgrounds. We can do improving deficiencies, such as if somebody didn't quite get all the marks they needed for entrance into a program, but we can also improve fields maybe you never tried before. Maybe you never took physics, but now want to be an engineer. We can go after that. And due to our small class sizes, we can customize our programs and focus in on the things that our students each year find most difficult or sets them on the right path for their particular goals. No one year is exactly like the other. It's a very adjustable program every single time. But we do sciences. Well, the program is called Comprehensive Arts and Sciences. So we have arts, math, sciences, a variety of courses to put you towards any particular program you want, whether with the college or without. All right, thank you.
We will continue now and go down to our first floor. Here is the Instrumentation and Control Technician Lab. And now we will introduce Nanette Bishop, our instrumentation instructor.
Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Instrumentation and Control Technician program at Seal Cove campus. As mentioned, my name is Nanette Bishop, and I'm the instructor for the ICT program. In this program, we teach students skills like using power and hand tools, tube bending, and electronic test equipment. Students will get a hands-on experience with pneumatic, electrical, and electronic testing devices that are common to the ICT field of study. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact Seal Cove campus, and I'd be able to meet with you by phone or via email, and I can address any questions or concerns you may have about the ICT program. I look forward to meeting you in the fall.
Leaving the lab, we'll continue down the hall where our cafeteria is located. Our cafeteria is a common area where students gather and also where food services staff provide beverages and hot and cold meals. The cafeteria is also the location where our orientation and other campus events take place throughout the year. We will go back to the second floor where you will find our electrical shop. Our instructional coordinator, Kevin Noseworthy, will give you an overview of the electrical program.
Welcome to our tour. Our construction and industrial electrical program is designed to provide students with electrical theory knowledge through classroom instruction and development of practical skills with many shop-based hands-on exercises. We ensure all students will have access to industry standard equipment and supplies necessary to provide a high level of education. All of our instructors are certified electricians with years of experience in the electrical trade, which enables them to share their work-based knowledge and skills. So come, join us here at the College of North Atlantic Seal Cove, and we will guide you on your path to becoming a qualified electrician. Thank you.
And lastly is the Powerline Technician Shop and Training Field. Aiden Dean, the Powerline instructor, will now give an overview of the program.
Hello, and welcome to the Powerline Technician Shop here at Seal Cove. My name is Aiden Dean, and I'm an instructor for the program. Here, students learn the basic fundamentals and necessary skills for the Powerline trade, such as climbing a wood pole and operating machinery, such as radial boom derrick trucks and bucket trucks. We also offer training for advanced blocks to obtain your red seal. Here, we also learn the tools used in the trade. We learn the hazards and how to overcome those hazards and how to work safely in the power line trade. As you can see, our field is quite an extensive field where we do great training. So if you're looking to do power line trade, we look forward to seeing you. Have a great day.
And this completes our tour. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this tour gave you the insight needed to help smooth the transition to the College of North Atlantic Seal Cove campus. We look forward to meeting you. If you have any questions, please post them in the chat function. Myself and our Seal Cove team are here and available to help answer your question.